So I'm going to locate my sketch and just drag it into Illustrator. You can see it's a simple sketch. I just did it on a basic moleskin paper with the 2B pencil. You can see that the lead's a bit light, but you can always overtrace it. But we're just going to use it and start to build out our characters. So I'm just going to scale this up a little bit. And we'll just try and put it in the middle. And then what I want to do is put the opacity down. So select the image and go to the top corner up there and press about maybe 70%. We'll go maybe 60%. So just drop the opacity because we're going to work over it. So what we want to do is lock this layer. So we're going to go to Window and go to our Layers panel. So if you go to Window, just go down to Layers, click that, and you'll get your Layers panel up. And what we want to do is call this the Sketch layer. And then what we're going to do is lock that. So click this little box here and it's going to lock this. So now what we can do is start building over our characters. We can always add new details as well down the track. So it's good to start off with just the base character, and as you go, you usually add in some new creativity and get some ideas. So first up, we're going to start with the kid on the left. So I'm just going to call it boy kid, and we're going to keep each character on the separate layers.